Subscribe to the Advanced Unboxer channel and watch all latest technology videos by pressing the bell icon. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the another interesting video on my channel. In this video we are going to talk about the Google Fuchsia. I split this video into 5 main parts. My name is Hamza Mukhtar, you are watching Advanced Unboxer. Let's get started. Google is already hard at work on the replacement for the two operating systems that currently power its mobile and desktop platforms. This replacement is called Fuchsia, and it has the potential to revolutionize the way mobile, laptop and desktop devices all interact with one another. The Mountain View-based company currently sells two operating systems, Android for smartphones and tablets, and Chrome OS, which is for laptops and desktops. While both are marketed as distinct products for different use cases, Google has demonstrated that both systems could be incorporated to seamlessly run Android apps on Chrome OS. The first question is that how will Google Fuchsia work? At the heart of every operating system lies a computer program known as kernel. This program controls every aspect of how an OS runs by instructing the central processing unit how to process data. Both Android and Chrome OS are based on Linux kernels, while Fuchsia will be based on new microkernel called Zircon. This will make it easier for apps to be upgraded over time. Next question is that what will Google Fuchsia do? Think of Fuchsia like the great tech unifier. Unlike iOS and Mac OS that only operate on compatible devices, every device would be compatible with Fuchsia. It will be a hybrid that offers mobile design views and traditional desktop interfaces. The mobile layer has been code-named Armadillo and the other view has been dubbed Capybara. Both sides of Fuchsia will work together using a tab system that will make up a majority of the user experience. Users will be able to interact with apps designed on Armadillo and Capybara that are displayed as cards on a home screen. The next question is that how long has Google Fuchsia been in the making? Fuchsia's existence was first discovered in August 2016 when multiple news outlets caught wind that Google had uploaded its open source code to GitHub. This discovery prompted a flurry of rumors of when it might be released, all of which turned out to be false. But Google has since shown signs that it is still set on making Fuchsia a reality. Another question comes out. When will Google Fuchsia come out? There is no release date for Google Fuchsia. Everything we have seen regarding the OS suggests it is still in its formative stages. As it stands, it's more concept than product, and it likely won't be rolled out for at least another few years. The last question is that how will Google Fuchsia look like? Fuchsia is still very much a work in progress, so the final product could look entirely different upon release. Google has made the operating system's code available online, allowing the most curious users boot it up on their devices if they want an early look. Most of Fuchsia is all placeholders at the moment, but these early looks have released how users will be able to navigate their way around the system. The app home screen looks a lot like the tabs menu in Apple's iOS Safari app, while one of the websites showed how the users will be able to toggle between mobile view and desktop view at the click of a button. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, smash that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. And if you think I should improve my channel, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.